So how to use Peekaboo app, make new friends. So this app right now, as you can see, is in the top charts of the US App Store. Why? Because basically Wiz app seems was removed from the App Store, which was like, an app to find friends. And then, yep, basically it was just removed. I don't know why or what happened to it. So basically, seems Peekaboo is just the top alternative, and it's built by Broadway Labs. So that's what it is. So yeah, swipe, meet, and chat real people. So this is the app mainly to find online friends. This is, some people see it as like this app's like a dating apps, but it's both like meeting new friends mostly and dating. So you can just browse profiles and find people with similar interests, chat, and have fun. So yeah, Peekaboo app is like one of the top alternatives to Wiz right now. However, I just opened it up. It's a bit basic. You don't expect a lot of features yet. And it has very few users at the moment around the world. You can see more users in US, but yeah, at least there you have it. So basically, this is the app. You just sign in with your account. You just add your Snapchat username. And then how it works, you can just tap find new friends and then just you swipe through the profiles to try to find new people. Like for example, you find a profile and then you can just see all the different people. I don't know how to change filters, like if you want to only find women or man, or like in which area, in which radius. So in this app it's kind of not available. But then if you want to send message, it's a similar menu as you had in Wiz app. So either you can just send a standard message, you can send bulk messages, meaning you can send like 50 messages at once in this app, or you can send like a super message, which is like a super like, which will stay on the top of all messages that person received. So if you send the super message, there is a much bigger chance that that person will see your message actually. So yeah, there you have it. And then you can't see any additional photos of other people unless you add at least 3 more photos of yourself to see all photos of them. So you just have this. Yeah, you can just boost your profile to upgrade to Peekaboo Plus. So just use your boost profile and be the top profile and get 10 times more friends. You can get one boost per week for $10 per week, so you can do that. So yep, and then if you just tap meet, then again you just swipe through the profiles. You can go and report and block people. You can go to the so you can't go to the people profiles. If you wanna reveal Snapchat username, then you'll need to upgrade to Pro. Pro users can reveal the Snapchat username of all profiles. So then you just need to tap see username, and then for example, you just need to upgrade. So yeah, that's just what you can do as well here. So yeah, something like that. So either here in the first tab, you have all your chats. In the second tab, you have kind of like a meet where you can just swipe through the profiles. Yeah, like for some reason I don't know how to set up filters here. Like this app right at the moment is just in the beginning of development, and I just can't set up like any filters, which gender I want to meet in which city. So it just takes your location and takes all the profiles. And as I've said, is if you're outside of US, this app doesn't have that many users yet, unfortunately. Hopefully it will have more in future. But yeah, then you just have your account in top right. You have your settings where you can just delete account. You can follow on TikTok. You can reach out to support if you wanna. So you can just tap I need help and reach out to support. You can add photos if you want. Then you can just verify profile. And then to get a verified badge, your first picture needs to be a photo of you where we see your face. So then you can just tap and verify your profile from here. And then again, you need to add at least 3 photos to be able to use this app properly. To delete your account, just tap on the gear icon in top right and tap to delete your account. So yeah, something like that. What you can do here. So that's just your idea, and then you just have it here. Again, you just send messages. So that's what it is at the moment. This is like very basic app, but it's in the top charts of the app store in US because people see it as a main alternative to Viz app. You can see some reviews. Good app, but all gray. Needs some improvements. Love the app, whole app. Decent app. So yeah, always like I think you should be careful with this kind of apps, of course, because of course these apps passed like the reviews to appear on the app store itself, but then just be careful to use these apps because there can be some bugs and all of that. There can be all types of weird people online, so just of course be careful with this kind of apps. Maybe that's why also this app was removed from the app store because it didn't have some kind of guidelines or like proper uh, community policies or stuff like that for the app store. So but yeah, anyhow, this is the app. Seems it's not yet on the Google Play Store, I'm not sure. So at the moment it's just on iOS App Store, so that's just what you have here. But yeah, if you're looking for the alternative for this app right away, this is like one of the top apps. Then you can just search, and there's Perp app, which is also, I don't know, it's Perp app is much more developed, but it's like lower in the ratings. There's Wink app, which you can also try. Rans, I haven't tried those. So yeah, there are some others. As you can see, there is other app fees, which is literally like try to use the same name as Viz app. So yeah, that's just what it is. So hope you like this app.